Hey, hello, is this thing working? Is it working now? I just messed up. I think I just messed up. Oh, no. Alright, so I guess this is going. So, this is just a test, really. Just to make sure this is working. So, anyways, this is a brand new video. Actually, this is a brand new series that I'm doing, which is doing stuff to my Kia Sportage. So in this video, I'm showing you guys how I install a brand new cabin filter. So I thought I had audio with these video clips, and I don't for some reason. I was trying to test out my new wireless microphone that goes to my phone, but for some reason it wasn't working, or something else happened. I'm not too sure, but anyways, this is all about the Kia Sportage, me having a little bit of fun with it, with just trying to do some maintenance and learning and all that. So I've got a couple of videos coming up, but anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about. I think right here I'm showing you the piece that actually pulls out so that you can let down the glove compartment all the way down, and there you see the old cabin filter. There's just two tabs you just press in, and then you just pull it on out, and as you can see, it looks like it was never ever changed ever. So this is like your first time seeing something like this, and you never seen this before in your car or anything, this might be a sign to check, especially if you got like a used car or something, because as you can see right here, this thing has never, it really looks like this thing has never been changed ever. So and this is something that I never seen before or heard about or anything. Never knew this part existed in a car or anything like that. So, and I don't even remember why or how I even came across something like this. But anyways, that's the new one, the carbon one. That's supposed to be like really good and everything. And basically just put it in, you follow the arrows, and that's on like the sides of the filter, and it shows you which way to install it, and you just put it back in, then you slide the whole thing back into the compartment or the opening or whatever, and that's really about it. It's really fast and simple, and different cars it's going to vary. I think sometimes it's actually in the engine bay, and it can be actually quite easy to actually change it out. With this one, in the Kia Sportage, the 09 Kia Sportage, is a little bit in a different position, as you can see, but it's pretty easy. We got it done, and that's really about it. Not sure what, I think I'm showing you guys the new stuff that I got. So got like a brand new steering wheel cover too, just like black and brown, which I actually really do like. The whole car is like a beige, which is like most budget friendlier, cheap cars. It's just all beige in the inside. So this is what I'm showing you. I'm gonna show you guys the new floor seats too, and the cup holder little little coasters too that are a little bit too small, so I actually decided to just return them. And I got everything from Amazon basically too, so I'll have everything that I've gotten for this car in the description below if you want to go ahead and find something for your Kia Sportage or any car that you want to get this stuff for. So yeah, that's really about it. Actually return these coasters. I really do like the design and everything, but they just look a little bit too small. So yeah, they were cheap, pretty cheap, like $4 maybe something like less than that. I got like a pack of like 6, I think. Oh, like four to 6, maybe 4. I can't remember. But this is the new like armrest pad that I got, which I really don't like either. It's just way too thin and it doesn't look any good. So this is what it looks like. But in this car, I just feel like it wasn't the color that I was looking for. The images on Amazon, it made it look a little bit more like a darker chocolate, and this looks more like silver or like gray, like a fake carbon fiber look. So with like brown stitching with that fake looking leather around the outside, the edge, so it doesn't really look that great at all. So this is just another shot of me just trying to get some angles or something, but I'm just gonna leave it just like this. And this is just another shot of where I was recording this whole video at. So I was at the mall, and I really actually like this shot too. I was testing out the Raw Pro video quality of the OnePlus 11, so that's what I was trying to do. So and I think this is me listening to music for some reason. I don't know why, but apparently I really enjoy it. So anyways, this is the end of the video, so hopefully you enjoyed. This is me trying to talk, but there's no audio, so that's pretty much about it. So that's the end of the video. There's no more clips playing, and I'm just still talking. So yep, the next couple of videos will be better, I promise, but hopefully you learned something, and you continue to come back and watch a couple more videos. So like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye bye.